All right. All right. So what are we doing? We are going to be recapping where we at on the week, basically. Okay. So as far as the count goes, we're up. We're up 200. That's good. I'm happy with that. We're up 200. I hit my PR on both accounts. So let's have some gratitude, ladies and gentlemen. Let's have some gratitude. Okay. So yeah, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jesus, that we're here. Let's keep going. All right. But this so Monday, recapping Monday. Here's what I had marked out. I had this. Oh, I really like this draw. I don't know. I just really like this little draw on liquidity right here. Okay, but so what was I looking at market open? I saw some nice. I mean, nice is a stretch, but we saw consolidation. What is that? Accumulation. But we got legs up. We got legs up during Asian session, so that should be a little bit of alarming because we want to see just clean. We want to just see clean accumulation, not doing too much within this area. Okay, a leg up during Asia session, we don't really like that too much. We want to just see nice clear consolidation. But yeah, I'm giving it the benefit of the doubt. But here's the thing: low-key AMD played out. Low-key. It's just not in a conventional way. Just out now that I'm looking at it because of accumulation, but we got legs up early. Okay, so what? Whatever. So boom, manipulation. Right. Once I'm here, I was like, okay, we manipulated up. Okay, without looking at all this, we manipulated up. What should we do now? This should be lower. We have some. The Asian liquidity is obviously a nice draw liquidity, but yeah, but as we're here, let's take into context, we're right next to these London highs. I mean, we're right next to these previous day highs, key level for us, right next to this draw liquidity. I'm not gonna say key level for us, but I don't know, I just really liked it. And then we had this draw liquidity. This is a really key level too, because one previous day highs, and look, it's just a bunch of order blocks stacked up, right? That's a lot of liquidity. And what did price do when it hit this level? Boom, consolidate, dump, right? That's how it reacts. That's how price usually reacts to liquidity. Okay, so off of that, my dumbass, I don't even want to say no dumbass, so it was some dumbass shit, but I was like, okay, I know we want to take out this, and if we're this close, we might as well take out this, and then if we want to make a stretch, then we take out this. But I was like, at least come to this level. So here's what, then I'm like, oh my gosh, I see the strong bullish momentum. I'm watching the candle live. I'm like, boom, enter 3 cons. Bro, went down, like I'll go down $50. I'm like, fuck that, I'm out. Or like 70, $90, fuck that, I'm out. This is probably where I got in. I could have hit on 137 points. And here's the thing, I'm not mad that I didn't hit the trade. I'm mad that I took the trade. You know what I'm saying? Like, buddy, what are you doing, bro? Like, now, after that experience, I put post-its up right here. The first one, obviously, if you don't know, every day you need to put God first. Okay, put God first. Second, have faith. Follow your trading plan. I mean, it's very simple, but that shit is not easy. Trust your trading plan. Very simple, not easy. Trust your trading plan, and then trust God's plan. Okay, so now every time I'm in a moment like that, all I need to do is look back up here, bro. Just trust the trading plan. Boom, hands off. Don't even touch it, bro. Pretty soon. I mean, at this point, I'm just gonna wait till 7 a.m. open until considering entering anything. Because I don't know, it's just comfortable. It's just comfortable. Even if I was to take a trade at 655, I'd be like, oh shit. You know what I'm saying? Oh, that's something I need to write down to ask OG. I gotta ask OG. I'm gonna ask. Right. In what situations are you comfortable trading before 7 a.m. PST for our kind of open? Because that PO3 is a really big part of our strategy. And if I'm thinking about it, I don't remember the last time we took a trade outside of the PO3. And yeah, so that's an important question for me. Okay. So yeah, boom, fucked up on that. Went down like $150. Then I was like, fudge, bro. I'm gonna give myself $250 more to risk, because like I don't want to miss out on today's profits. Not in a FOMO way, but I didn't even get to trade the model, right? I didn't even get to, I lost money and I didn't even get to trade the model, okay? And it's not about making money just because, oh, I traded the model and I made money off of it. No, it's about, learning the experience from trading the model, win or loss. That's the only way you learn the model. You need to trade the model, win, lose, break even. You need to have all that experience that stacks up just to make your knowledge of trading with that model like fucking like otherworldly type. All right, so 7 a.m. Boom, 7 a.m. open here. It pushed up right off the rip, made a nice wick up here. This bottom wick was probably like what, 12 points? I think I look here, remember it's 12 points. So 8 points, crazy work. Okay, so boom, push up. At this point, we're already bearish. So we're already bearish. Plus, we're making instant push up with that 4-hour candle open. That even adds confluence, right? Because this is another thing I'm noticing. Like, whatever price open, like in a market like this, right? Wherever price opens up first, that's just it putting in the top wick or bottom wick, right? Wherever price pushes first, and then yeah, if it pushes one way, and then without putting a wick in the opposite direction, you can expect it to form the other way. I don't know how to explain. But like in this situation, this isn't a breakout. So it's like obviously you're not gonna have that top wick because it's just dumping. But like, yeah, I don't even know what I'm saying. All right, so where did we enter? Yeah, like here, stops are like nice. I'm not gonna lie. Oh yeah, I remember this, but I got out. I forget when I got out. I might have got out like up here. I don't know. It's just like, here's why I got out too. Okay, because here's why I got out, because the setup was dope. The setup was super dope. I think we even got SMT ski. Bro, they look identical. No way, it's not the same chart. They look the same. All right. So no SMT ski, but the setup was fire. Not fire, but it was good. Oh, did we get a SMT? Like, oh my gosh. Up here. Oh, I hate. Oh, no. Bro, I'm not gonna say I hate it, but like with back testing, I think this was SMT. I have to check one more time. 745. Oh yeah, this is a fat SMT key. Man. Probably this one. Either one it went. 745 to 820. 745 to 820. Yup. So SMT for show. Boom, got the ifvg. You got the pullback. Awesome, cool. Bang bang, stop above the SMT. And then targets probably, because this like go probably TP1, TP2, TP3 right here. It hit with the as the day went on, but here's what I'm gonna say. Like, I'm a big believer in like the market's gonna go where it wants to go, news or regardless, volatility or not, it's gonna get there now or later. Okay, this was our trade. What we wanted was the intention of the market. It was literally the intention of the market. Okay, right? We wanted shorts. What happened? Shorts got hit. It was just a no news Monday. There's not enough volatility to carry out that thesis, that narrative. Okay, so yeah. So big takeaway from this day: follow your fucking trading plan. Okay, and then going out at break even at this, it's just one of the days that the model didn't work. All right, on a no news Monday. As long as you're de-risking and being smart with the risk, with your psychology, you should be just fine. Okay. So yeah, that was Monday. We see accumulation, and if I'm gonna be honest, what do I see? Accumulation. Okay. Oh, this is what I've been thinking about too, and it's big, but when I get there, it'll be awesome. Okay, so accumulation. At this point, it's kind of like you see two double accumulation. All you want to see is take out liquidity this way or take out liquidity this way, and then a reversal in the opposite direction. Pretty much, and that's what we got. Ain't gonna ain't gonna lie, that's what we got. Okay, because what happened? Boom, reversal work after taking these Asia lows, taking this nice little baby drawn liquidity and filling in that gap. Nice tap in right there. And yeah, I liked it. We're going to 15-minute. Let me go on NQB because yes, shakes. Okay. Boom. Took Asia. Boom. Respected this fair value gap. Oh my gosh, this setup was so freaking sexy, man. This was a sexy setup. These are one of those I'm like, that's a sexy setup. It's just the volatility and the price action that the market gave us was not ideal for. I think just not ideal for the psychology of it all, because look, tested this shit 3 times. If you had a bad entry, you would have been sweating. You probably would have got out, all that, right? Where would some people have entered, or like where would someone that trades like me have entered? Oh yeah, trades like me for sure. Not trades like ifvgs. Boom, short, got that. Oh no, there's a stack of fair value gaps. Okay, boom, I'll get in on here. Bang, bro. If you're risking a lot, you could have been down crazy. That's why. Okay, and then boom. Now if you waited for the retrace, sheesh, yeah, you banked crazy work. Okay, well, like let's look for the 5-minute ifvg, because as you know, 5-minute higher confluence, higher conviction. All right, so short, boom. Now this is if you're patient enough. This is if you're patient enough, because you were waiting for 5-minute ifvg. What we did, I think we entered off 3-minute ifvg. Now that I'm looking at it, here. Oh yeah, I would have whipped out the fib. So we got this push down with this leg. Boom, short there. That would have been ideal entry, and you know, let it run. I think, yeah. So again, keep waiting for the pullback, keep waiting for the pullback, keep waiting for the pullback. It's gonna work. You're gonna get it. You're gonna get it, and it's gonna work. Okay, wait for the pullback, and if it doesn't, be okay with it. Don't be a little. All right. But yeah. So big takeaway. Okay, big takeaway. Wait for the pullback. Wait for the pullback, and we got to start letting our runners run. It's gonna come to us. Let's not force it. Okay, let's not force it when it's within the framework, and like we could be real. But here's what happened. I think what happened? I think I took out here, and then yeah, I took out full here, but it was 2 cons. Oh yeah, it was 2 cons. So I went in on 3 cons, boom, got stopped out, and I was like, okay, I have some more. I have a little bit more to risk it within my risk management plan. So let me just do 2 cons just to get myself in the trade and to risk the rest of my amount that I can risk. We got here is like a $200 profit, not the best, but hey, we're gonna get there. We're gonna get there, and we're gonna get there, and it's gonna work, and it's gonna work, and we're gonna get there, because we're gonna trust it. We're gonna trust God. We're gonna have God. We're gonna have faith in God. We're gonna have faith in God's plan. We're gonna have faith in, you know, whatever is meant to be. All right. Also, there was full profits. Yeah, I remember. Oh yeah, I never looked. Bro, this is a snipe, bro. This is what I wanted. This is like full take profit. But remember, I only had 2 cons. I need to secure something. So yeah, I could have extended here. Bro, that is so crazy. I mean, at least for the session, that's what Price wanted to do. Hit the 0.5 on the fib. Maybe that's not what Price wanted to do, but I called it out. I said, this London low is very, very appealing. London low is very, very appealing. It's on 0.5 within his big leg. Bro, that's kind of sniper game. And look, bro, look, it's not like lucky, bro. It's not lucky, because look at what happened when Price hit this level. It stalled out. Yeah, sure, it pushed lower, but for the remainder of the session, it moved. No, it did move some more. It moved about 50 more points. That's not like too crazy. Okay, so that was a sniper entry. Good shit on my part. I'm just gonna pat myself on the back for that. But like, we need to execute on shit like this. But we're not gonna rush it, because I know it's gonna come. Okay, I'm just taking it real light. I'm being light on the risk right now. This is something I'm contemplating and really like in my mind right now. Is, am I shooting myself in the foot by de-risking right now? Right, this whole week I'm up 400. Okay, if I had risked more, I would be I could have passed my account by now, no cap. I actually could have passed my account right now, no cap. But I'm not tripping, all right, because I'm just following my process. I'm following my risk management plan, what I'm comfortable with, and my account's growing. Okay, my account's growing. Could it be growing more? Yes, it could. There's someone in the Discord. I think they got a fresh funded. They're probably like $500 away from passing. I'm $1,500 away from passing one of them. But yeah, man, I'm not upset. I'm not upset about de-risking. Would it be nice if I had done it and then made more money? Sure, it would have. But I have to follow the risk management plan. Okay, I have to follow the risk management plan because I know that when I grow my account, then I can risk more, and then it's like, it should be like comfortable risking, right? I feel like I have not a lot on the line, but it's like I'm trying to pass 2 contracts. I feel like the results that 2 contracts has to offer is more than what having a 1 account has. Okay, so big takeaways again, just reiterating, wait for the pullback. Another one, days before news. Don't be oh wait, no, this wasn't day before. It was day before news, but just don't be surprised by bad PA. Second, let your runners run, have high conviction, especially in like a snipe like this where I literally sniped his entry. I said it in the Discord too, bro. This was sniper gang right here. Boom. I said London drawn liquidity is very appealing. It's sitting right on the 0.5 on the fib. Bro, come on, bro. Bro, this should juice me up. That's crazy work, huh? All right. So let your runners run, have high conviction, stay the course with the risk management. We're gonna get there, just slowly, and not slowly, but incrementally. We'll get there, and when we get there, we're gonna be cashing hard. Okay, we're gonna be cashing hard. Okay, let's see. Bro, this one we waited forever. Okay. Oh yeah, Tuesday I went out late with my friends. I had 4 hours of sleep after getting like 4 hours of sleep the night before. No, I had good sleep the night before. Yeah, I did. Okay, so boom, accumulation, we manipulate up, then we come back down, whatever. Oh, we created a little divergence on here which fueled this pump up. Oh yeah, that does make me comfortable. That does make me comfortable taking like, oh, this was so funky. It's because, okay, right, what did we do on this day? Wait for 7 a.m. Q3 open, boom, instantly. What do we do? Push up, make a nice top wick. We had a cool bottom wick, but it's like, are we gonna make the bottom wick that early? I don't think so. We don't trade order blocks, but in this case, the order blocks worked. This was funky because we tapped into this key for value gap that we liked on NQ, just not on any other. No, we didn't tap in. Nah, bro, we didn't tap in on nothing, bro. Yeah, so this reverse, I'm gonna have to be honest. This reversal was fueled by this order block. I'm not gonna lie to you. But we like fair value gaps better. Okay. But whatever reversal work, what did we do? I think where did I? Yeah, that was a fair value gap. Oh, we did end up using 15-minute fair value gap for entry. Yeah. So boom. No, I don't think we did use a 15-minute. What fair value gap did we use? I don't know what kind of entry got. I kind of forget. We might have gotten like something like that. But this one I cashed just like $200 again. Yeah, so what did I do? Where was 2R? Like here. I cashed. I took, wait. I think I just started with 2 cons. I'm not gonna lie. I think I just started with only 2 cons for this day, just because of the high impact news. And yeah, I just wanted to de-risk. I didn't want to put like a full risk on the table and like, bro, like I'm not gonna risk regular size on a fucking news day, and then when I lose, and then when I lose half my account, I'm like pissed off. Yeah, I'm just gonna avoid it. Okay. But yeah, so whatever push. So exited at like $105 with off one con. Then I left one con running, and then, bro, that's a lot of points. 134 points, bro. Bro, I love trading this. I love trading like this, bro. Just 100-point trades, bro. 80 to 150-point trades. Okay, bro. And then look at this 11 a.m. candle, bro. Bro, watching this live was fucking next level, bro. It was like this, bro. That was bad. But it was like literally green, black, green, black, green, 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 black, 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 green, 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 and then ended up going. And going back to what I said, when we're watching candles form live, you kind of can have an idea of like the price action. It's hard to explain, but this one, the first 5 minutes or like the first like 2 minutes, it was mostly green, right? It was just pushing up, putting in that top wick, trying to manipulate people into going into longs. That's what I believe, low key in some sort of type of way. And then, but how it did finish towards the tail end, boom, bearish candle. Yeah, but yeah, so that was that. And I don't know, this is a sticky one. It's like let your runners run on a fucking news day. Like I could have cashed it, but then I would have felt like shit. Like, bro, I got lucky. But then my account would have been up. So I don't know. But yeah, that's it for the trade recap. Long ass trade recap. We recapped 3 days. This is my off day. I'm on Thursday. I took no trades today, bank holiday, and yeah, bank holiday, no trades, just chill and do the work off the charts, right? Basically a good day to just do work off the charts. You know, do my little journaling right here. Then I'm gonna do some calm back testing sessions. Oh, I got a meeting with OG today too. That's gonna be nice. But yeah, let's get it. Let's go. Arr.